In recent days, the rice fields along National Highway 25 in Phu Yen Hamlet, Hoa Thang Commune, Phu Hoa District, where the model of applying drone technology to rice production is being demonstrated, have attracted quite a few visitors. Mr. Pham Ngoc Heap from Phu Yen Hamlet, after visiting the model, stated that after many years of being involved in rice cultivation, he understands the difficulties in production. Especially in this summer-autumn crop, unusual weather conditions have led to the occurrence of many diseases and pests. However, over the past nearly 3 months of observing the model of applying drone technology to rice production, almost no outbreaks of diseases have been seen. According to Mr. Heap, visually, at this time, the productivity of the rice fields using this technology seems to be higher. If we can develop this model, it will be more sustainable for our farmers, and its quality may reduce some of the costs for farmers, as well as eliminate all the things that plant protection agents do, said Mr. Heap. According to the Agricultural Service Cooperative Hoa Thang 1, the model is implemented on a 5-hectare scale with long-grain rice varieties, involving 32 households. During the implementation process, technicians from LOC Troy Group's Plant Protection Company in Anjong Province demonstrated the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, for spraying pesticides to control golden apple snails and prevent pest outbreaks during production. As a result, compared to control fields, the investment cost for pesticides has been reduced by over 437,000 VND per hectare. The value of rice harvest reaches 57 million VND per hectare, an increase of 3,600,000 VND per hectare compared to traditional production methods in the locality. Now, we haven't harvested yet, but based on the theoretical yield, it seems higher than outside. Firstly, we can manage diseases, thereby increasing productivity, freeing up labor for farmers, reducing cultivation costs, and most importantly, ensuring human health, said the cooperative. This is a model that prioritizes the interests and profits of farmers. From this model, LOC Troy will gradually work with cooperatives and local authorities, and with the consensus of farmers, we will continue to expand and bring practical benefits to farmers, they added. According to the Plant Cultivation and Plant Protection Sub-Department of the province, this is a new model being implemented for the first time in Phu Yen province. Initial evaluations of the technical measures applied in the model have shown positive results. The stages of fertilizer application, pesticide spraying using unmanned aerial vehicles have helped fields to limit pests, reduce labor costs, etc. These technical measures have contributed to high productivity, reduced production costs throughout the season, and have the potential to be developed and replicated on many other fields, especially in mechanizing fields in line with the province's development policy.